Okay, so I wanted to make this last video to actually clean up everything, to get everything sorted out. So we're gonna need this folder. Okay, what am I saying? I gotta tell you guys what's up. So here's the plan. I'm just going right into it. Okay. Essentially, right now, the voice demo, like the voice chat, I can speak to. You know what? I updated it. I ought to show you guys. Hold on. What? Okay. Dang, I would totally start over if this was a video. I wasn't even ready. So here we go. Check out the new thing. So if I go now to ChatGPT, I can press Control-Shift-X and it'll open this up. I can say, you know, turn on commands. And then you can see all of these, which show you what this thing can do. So I'm just gonna manually check these three. And then I'm gonna say, listen, respond in a short sentence, but tell me what's a really cool way that you can, what would be a use case of connecting VS Code extension to another extension in the browser, Chrome extension.
A cool use case is syncing selected text from VS Code to a Chrome extension for instant AI code review or documentation lookup in the browser.
Wow, that might be exactly what I'm doing.
That sounds awesome. It'll make your workflow super efficient.
So let's show the viewers that aspect. Alright, close the box.
To show viewers that aspect, you could create a demo where selecting text in VS Code instantly triggers an AI review or documentation search in the browser, displaying the results in real time. This showcases the seamless integration and speed of your extensions working together.
Where did I make? What folder did I make on VS Code? Here we go. So now we can open up our insane thing right here. So now what I can do here, since I still have this voice chat open, is I can do Control-Shift-P and I can say send open, and it will send the open file to ChatGPT over there. Now I can say send, and it will do that for me. But what I thought would be cool additions would be Control-Shift-P, then you can type SEND selected. I'm actually going to close this so it can't send anything. And I can use the word send. So it could say send selected. So you could select code and then send selected. And then I was also thinking it'd be cool if you could say query selected. And then it would pop up a dialogue. And that dialogue you could type into it and it would ask that question to GPT and automatically submit it for you. And then also query open, which would just get them all. So that's what we're going to build into the extension. And if I pull up here, you can see right now what we do is we have registered this command. So we're just going to register a few more. I have an idea. I'm going to put this into an array. Close disposables. So I'm going to loop over each of these disposables. So I can keep that one. And now I can make a new one called, not send active file, but what I want to say is send open with query. Okay, that's a good name for it, I'd say. And then we can go like this, and And then what we want to do if we put this code here in a function, I don't know why that wouldn't be async. It just does that. It's so cool. JavaScript is so awesome. Let me just pull this down a little bit. Hope you like the music. There we go. So now we can just send the files like that. And then here, what we can do is we can say VS Code dot window dot show input box. I just wanted to read some of these other ones because I'm new to this space. So this is brand new to me. I'm excited about it. So we'll do input box. Say enter your query. And then we'll say if query. That's a not my way to do it. I usually do this. If there's not a query, just return. So then we just do that. I don't know why it is. Oh, my pre. And what's this? Should I just follow the rules? I don't know why they want semicolons. Semicolons now. Okay. Now the file's happy. So then, if we don't have a query, we'll return. That's weird. That's so. Here, we'll just add query, and then we need to say with query. Go. So now, I believe if I run this extension, we can see what happens. Forgot what is. That's not going to do anything because our Chrome extension is not expecting it. But we can still try to watch the query come up. So that's what we'll do. We'll just say Control-Shift-P, and then it probably won't actually be there because we didn't put it in our package.json. So we'll just stop that. Package.json. Y'all go down and add this disposable. Query open. we open up this again. I'm trying to remember what I was doing. So where's the part where we like send through? This is injection. I need to be in that. This is where we are listening. It's the real time right here. Files. So I think one thing that would be pretty cool if we did is if we set this text. This is becoming bad practice, but I don't really care. Of just all this thing, because I'm designing the app as I'm going, so it's not a big deal. Just take in what you can. I'm just trying to get this thing done so I can work on my bigger projects, and we can do it on live stream. It'll be so fun. So, receive files. No, that's not at all what I wanted. I want it to be a boolean. Oops, false. So if we receive files, then we're going to set that to true, and then we're going to set the timeout to say cur. Oh yeah, false. So it'll be that for 1 second. Scale it up 105 and change the transitions to all. Make them go a little slower. I think that would be nice. So that bit of our app now has received files, and then we'll just want to see this. This is the coolest way to ever interface with ChatGPT, dude. Never mind. That's so funny. It was just going up and up because I didn't realize it was on. So, that's pretty cool. I mean, might as well build it and just see where we're at. So we just need to go to Chrome's deep link and the extensions. Oh yeah, coming in, yeah, you know I'm making it. Yeah, can't miss this. Gotta pull up at the bliss and on mission. Yeah, you know I use my intuition to get what I'm wishing. Sit and buys me all in the sky. Okay, so now receive files. Let's make that 2 seconds. Cat. But it looks cool. Okay, so injection. Okay, now we need to feed through the other type of send files with query. types. Chrome. So now we can get the query with it. And then we just take this and replace it here. Current, we want to do this, so we want to make sure if the current is equal to send files, then set it to false. Otherwise we want to keep it what it currently was, because that means something else took over. Oh, and this needs to be null, like that. And so similarly, Copilot does better on one line. That's why I did that. I knew it was going to figure out what I wanted. So now I'm sending it right through. So now I need to get this to the injection. For that reason, I'm going to close this. Wait, does this? Hold on. Control X. No way, that's fire. Okay, injection, that's right. So, somewhere I have this, so I want to track this down. Yeah, what kind of code is this? This needs to be flatter. Let's deconstruct stuff. That. There we go. That's much cleaner. I mean, dude, all I need is the files. I don't need the payload. Cool. That's much better. Now, I think after all that's done, we need to send. What's it called? Debounce? Like that. Nope, let's build that. Let's see! I think, in theory, it should work. Reload, reload, interact with the document, Control Shift X, come over here, this is going to be so cool, so I'm going to query open. I'm going to say 2 sentences. The 2 sentences. Speak.
This code is a React component for a Chrome extension pop-up that manages real-time communication between VS Code and the Chrome extension using Supabase, handling commands and settings like auto-send, auto-speak, and auto-listen. It listens for events to send file content or commands and provides visual feedback on the extension state.
Gotta be better. Because Jimmy John's sounded good. Okay, let's see if it works, bro. Wait, didn't it work last time? What did I add? Oh. What are the commands? They're right here. Speak.
The commands are 1. Turn on, off, send, speak, listen commands. Toggles the specified feature. 2. Speak. Speaks the last response. 3. Listen. Activates auto-typing. 4. Never mind. Clears and stops listening. 5. Stop. Stops generating or speaking. The commands are 1. Turn on, off, send, speak, listen commands. Toggles the specified feature. 2. Speak. Speaks the last response. 3. Listen. Activates auto-typing. 4. Never mind. Clears and stops listening. 5. Stop. Stops generating or speaking.
Stop. Okay. Let's add the next extension feature. So we just go that. So yeah, now we're back again. So we have this one. Now we're gonna add another one. VS Code. Okay, so I have some here I think we can figure out. Get selected text, right? So they make a disposable. How does it know that? So we'll just start with send selection. Okay? Send selection. So I'm guessing this is what we're gonna do. VS Code. I'm just typing it out so I can see this real quick, like in all the IntelliSense and all. Create web view panel. What? I didn't know this. Create web view panel, bro. You know what you can do with that? But we want the active text editor right now. If not edit or return. That's right. But we want a message. I like that. Where am I? Now we want to get the select. I'm gonna type my this. Let's call it code. Bum, 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 bum. I feel like we should just build the rest of them. This is gonna be a query. Quick query. This is the last one that I thought of so far, but obviously I just saw a web view, so I'm gonna have to mess with that. See if this keeps the stream going. It hasn't been too long yet. It was going nuts. So selection. Oh yeah, that will be needed. You need to take this out, and then here we want to say VS Code send selection. Bam. But this is with a query. With query. Query. Okay. Super cool, super cool. I think we're ready to load up the extension again with these new features and implement them into GPT voice. So we're kind of kicking butt, basically. So first, let's add these listeners. You know what I'm saying? Here they are. Let's take these two and go boop. And then let's take this window and go boop. And then let's send selection. So now we need to type on this. Okay, so now we have the send selection going through. Now we just need to go to the injection. That should just work. You saw me lock in there, dude. We have our listeners. They're going all the way through. Let's talk about this file, I guess. Reload. Reload. Interact with the document. Control-Shift-X. Turn off auto speak. You know what I missed? Take a second to guess. Let me see in the chat. That's right, the package.json. You go to the package.json. Okay. Booyah. Skadoosh. Skadoosh. And then go here. Make sure. Cool. Now let's build this mug. We got a readme coming in. Let's go to that. Wait, no, that's not what I need. I need it. this area. And go Control Shift B, queries, query selected. How do I Yeah, it worked perfectly. That went straight in there. Now let's try just oh yeah, no, we can just start listening. I'm about to send you some code through an extension. Wait, start listening. I'm about to send you some code through an extension made in VS Code that gets sent to the extension that is then putting the text into the input. Start listening. I'm about to put some text in, but it's from a README. Summarize it in 3 sentences. Send.
What do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it in drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from now.
Speak.
The extension supports voice commands, send, speak, listen, nevermind, stop to control ChatGPT, and can automatically activate modes based on user preferences.
Yeah. Okay. Coming together now. Let's get it. Gonna change it. Yeah, you know it's exquisite. Writing these bars at the top while I'm on the live stream. I'll make it happen. Yeah, you know I'm living my dream. I'll make it happen. Because I get so crazy. Yeah, I'm doing it, rapping. Yeah, you know I can't be capping. I'll make it happen. Maximizing it. You know I'm cooking up just like surprising. Yeah, you know I'm really fly with it. I pull it in. I might just be the dopest. Hey, yeah, you know I give them hope. The smoke is the flow, the woke is. Yeah, you know I do it because I is the dopest. Can't miss my list. Yeah, I make shit. Got it going. Yeah, I got me a grip. Grip all the time. I got it all of the time. Divine. I really ain't trying. The mind is hard. Beyond believing. Check the new things I'm achieving. Yeah, you know I'm on live streaming. Yeah, we do this. This is a something hot. I'm making this for Stacey. See, I'm making that. Making this injection script. Yeah, real max. Don't depend the text area with the content from the GPT. You know it's all crazy when we do this and it's all free. And open source. I put the GitHub public. Yeah, you know I gotta do it and I'm gonna double it. Gotta keep live streaming so they see that I be doing this obscene and real clean and keeping getting better. Yeah, you know I do it too clever. I'ma go and sever any hater that wanna mess with me. Cause I just be blessing me. Anyways, I got carried away. No text away. Never mind. like that. And then I wanted it to last longer. Okay, I think we're eating. Shall we build it? I think we shall. Too easy. I love that. That's my favorite part. Biggest innovation. Listen, what's going on in this code? Send. Listen, what color is it when I receive files? Send. Speak.
When you receive files, received files is truthy. The text color is blue, text blue 500.
Turn auto speak on.
The link to the Brightside Developers website is 8sysbrigtsidedevelopers.com, brightsidedevelopers.com.
This year, not next year, but next year too. I make that music and I spin it true. We fire, making it happen. We just wire new learnings in our head, making these apps. I just want to spread all of this watching. I'm gonna get better at making these videos. Obviously, this is, you know, it's not even a video. It's a video for you because like no one watched it, but you did. So it's been a pleasure, and I'm excited to see us grow.